Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Excel tutorial, we are going to learn different text formatting options that are available in Excel and how you can quickly work around or basically navigate through the text formatting option. So let me quickly go ahead and cover some of the key options. So by default, when you will open Excel, you will be, on the home page here. And say, for example, we want to change the type or the size or font style or changing the text color and the background of the cell, right? So these are some of the sample text that is there. Now, all of these, if I click on that here, if you'll see this font section here in the ribbon here, right? This has all the details or all the functionality that is required for you to work with any of the text on the Excel, right? If I select this, you will see that by default, it will show from this particular drop down here. So this is the type of the font. So if you click on the drop down, you will see that there are the fonts that are available. And if I just hover over any of these fonts, it automatically adjusts the text accordingly, right? So if I want to select the different type, I simply choose that from this drop down here, and the size as well. I can choose different sizes that are available in this drop down here. Okay. So let me change it to 28, say for example, right? So that's how you basically update the type and the size. Now the third one is basically the style. Now this is basically, at the moment, if you'll see, there are different styles here. So if I go to this particular drop down here, so you have this bold, italic or underline, right? So the other options, so basically apart from this section here, if I right click on any of the cell which has the text and I go to the format cells, right, it will open this particular window where I can go to the font, and these are different styles that I can choose from: italic, bold, bold, italic, etc. So at the moment, this particular type or the style of the text is regular, right? If I want to change it to italic, I can choose the italic and click on OK, and you will see the text has been changed to italic. Okay, so either from this section here, you can do all these changes, and you will see that if I highlight that, this I is highlighted already, the type and the size has been chosen, right? And these are the quick increase and decrease font icons. So I can simply click on these icons to increase and decrease the font size. Okay, now the next thing is changing the text color. So if I want to change the text color, apart from the black, I want to choose something else, highlight the text there, and here you will see this text, right? So I can select on this font color and I can choose any other color based on my requirement, or I can go to more colors and choose a custom color from here. Okay, so from the standard I can choose, or I can create my own custom color using this grid here for the colors. Okay, and now you'll see the text has been changed to different color. Okay, now if I want to basically color code or fill the cell with the different color, so as soon as I'll highlight, you will see that this is the fill color icon. So I can do the same thing. I can simply click on this fill color. So whatever chosen color you see here will be automatically filled in this text box, right, in this particular cell. If I want to choose different color, click on the drop down and choose a standard color from here, or from these theme colors, or from the more colors, you can choose the custom color or the standard colors. Okay, if I want to remove the color, simply click on the drop down and click on no fill, right, and there will be no color. Similarly for this text color, select the drop down and you can just reset or basically select the theme color for that, right, or choose the automatic. So once you choose automatic, it will be reset to the default color that was chosen. Okay, so this is very quick and brief introduction about some of the formatting options that are available in Excel. Two ways: you can directly type in the text and work with the font, and if you want to expand in the font settings, click on this little icon here, click on that, and it will open the same window for formatting the cell. In the font section, you will see all the fonts available here, the style, the size, and then whether you want to provide the underlining, so you can choose the underlining of the fonts or the text there. If you want to choose the double line, single, or double accounting, and the color of the line you can choose. So say for example, I want different color there, I want different effects there for the text, so I can do strike through, I can do superscript or subscript, etc. So all of that is possible using the advanced format cell window. Click on OK and you will see that the text has been updated accordingly as we have chosen from the font format cells, right? From the font format cell. You can also right click and go to format cell, or as soon as you will just right click, you will see this little section appearing here. This is kind of same thing. So you can do different formatting option. So you can choose different type here, different size. You can increase, decrease, and all other options also available in this section as well. So a number of ways, but stick to this. I usually stick to this section, or I go to this format cell and go through any of these details that are basically required for myself to update the text or work with the formatting of the text within Excel sheet. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.